I don't know Rasta, Wagwan, when you dep and welcome forward to the channel. You see it and you don't know Dewey and RT, them when go through them little thing and thing. My friend, if you go up and a live look well and see Dewey and RT them live and Dewey come out. He come out still. Him say Momo a this man I call up in name still, so he come out for defend himself against Momo still. But I don't know still, what do you think at the wrong timing for when he come out and a style Momo no wanna talk to RT and them thing they just like him with RT. You see it, that the people must say in the comment section and me still you see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see me? And you don't know Momo I say yo. Dewey tell him say Queenie kind of smell you see it. You don't know Queenie talk out where she say I'm almost so to you see it, but you don't know me don't know what go on still now, but something no look right. People must say oh like RT buy out the thing pay Queenie and Dewey if you come out and speak for him and thing you see it. But from a boy a fish, you see me. Yeah man, and for where your name a call upon certain things where you can't link you see it. Yeah man, so me personally still big up yourself Dewey and Queen still for you don't know now we link you see it, but RT me personally feel say you're guilty you see it. Yeah man, drowning man hang on past straw you see it.
You don't have a rascal flow. You have to live off a Queen and live off a people for have a platform. Low blood clot me girl. Move a blood clot around like Miss Bling, but I send my husband naked blood clot picture with big purple heart. Move your blood clot and I come talk about you never want to do it.
Picture everything when you have send them to my phone. Queenie, you know. You know I love your phone it is that we can't do it.
No.
So that.
Stop that.
RT, me's a different type of gangster in RT. You hear that? My gangster by law. Yeah, man. She have to chip out my brain, because right now she annoy me, she have to take me and fuck her, me if I tell you. Because at the end of the day, what she do, you see me? It no fear, you see me? So at the end of a good day again, me I come talk it truth. You see me? You should continue. Me I go talk, me I go draw back people in an argument when I draw back. So she just need to leave me alone. So I play by the game, you know, RT. I go on like me no know anything when you fuck with me, you know, I just tell you, say, yeah man, me did know, man, me just play the fucking phone.
I want to say something.
Eh?
I want to say something. You have to know who you are. When you come in here, me to Queenie. Dewey, I want you to know, sir. I want to put this yourself publicly. I want you to know, sir. Your evidence where you come with, not only Momo, I just said to you and Queenie, I just want to know, you know. Not only Momo, this evidence I go sink. This is going to earth Grace Almington, the Queen of Dancehall. That is another judgment where people are going to beat on for. Because RT are going to sue. Him already a sue Momo and do everything, but the Spice one is a major bitter and a bubbling.
Well, RT, that not have nothing to do with it. I was listening
I just have to tell you too, that not have a bumbo clip thing to do with me at all. You hear that? In a real life. That not have nothing to do with me. The same person where them a hide and a talk say they want to come out, them need to take him out of the closet and make him come talk. That me have to tell you.
Yeah,
we not business in that. You hear that? So anything we want to do, you do it.
Yeah, as my husband said.
One thing me know RtBoss, me can't get locked up. Me can't get locked up. Because the end of a good day, me never. No, me just tell you, me never just tag along with the argument. If you notice, me tell you one time, say yo, you decide that and whatever may be the case. Me no strength on that my father, because at the end of the day, me no evidence of it. I mean, no source for no evidence. I mean, no want evidence, because you see a man live it, I feel him live it. I feel him life. I him want to live him life or him want to live him life. Me can't tell a man how to live him life. Because how him feel comfortably, him go live. You see me? So, I don't want nobody tell me how to live my life, because I know me I live it straight and me I live it. My conscience now bother me when me I go my bed at night time. So, I don't want nobody tell me how me to live. So, the end of a good day, people have for them issues, them go deal with for them issues. Me can't help them. They must help themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see plan, so whatever plan, she read. So anybody who cut along with it, them deal with it them way, but we're not going to hurt from my husband was here. So if he never smart, then would have tried out like coming in November. But if just
Talk now, because Dewey mute. You can't talk now.
yes, so really for fact, jungle blood clot justice, everybody have mouth, everybody have opinion, but the internet, when someone fling pan it, and them all it is a hell of a thing. You know much days do we I say, the one RtBoss do my body now. And I mean, the day when them talk to the youth and I press the youth for do this, and I say, me not pay them the mind. See, the truth come to life. Because you think you're a bullbuck and up can't carry, you can't go in a people life and just in a people blood clot life, and it's all about you. You have to remember we're good for the goose is good for the gang, good kind. And if you're on a bash blood clot, my hold it and bash the blood clot bash. You want chat people, you want get up, you want every day in a mix up and when bashing take blood clot. Because I'm explaining. Because as much as them back blast blood clot, she sit down there and take them. Sometimes she sit down like she not even here. But yeah, baby, I need it for me, leave me and my husband alone, man. Give me a break show. And I have nothing for bust up, darling. Come run up a blood clot lyrics. My mouth dry now. Yeah, my mouth get
Send
dry.
gift, guys. Send gift. Do it. Let me reason with it for a second. Mute the Queenie say it now echo. Alright. We come to understand, say, both of you see it. You say, sure, we no business with nobody business. So we not do nothing. While we there, I say we not do nobody business, we not fix nothing. The girl come trouble come here see what I want. She come trouble and she come for do it and I tell lie. Cause you should come.
Dewey some stink. That's what she stink for the heart.
So it's like,
a picture can done.
Me know, but you also I say, Dewey see it and I say, hey, look what them I do to RT, but when I mind on the business and the girl come food now and I just say, fuck it. Me just have come talk the truth. So is that the truth? No, we understand that. Big up to that. So now me can say to you now, all these years with me, me and you work, we look for business, what you feel like say we fuck up. Well, we can say, me and you even. Because the truth come from your husband, yeah. So me even everybody's quit. Now where theme side is now, I understand where I say, because for him also to come out here, to come say that nobody go feel like him a sideline with me, because them don't say me a fish long time. So it really take a guts for him come out here to come speak the truth. True. You understand? So me a read.
She said me on the man a man, I go sure say me a blood clot man. See me a Sam say.
See me tell my wife this morning. Because I watch your whole thing and I say this girl just a chat up. You really have to take me in. You know that. And when you have to take people in a real life, you just have to push people to the edge where in. Them just have to do the real thing. A real thing. You see me? And a real thing me come do. You see me? Because as me say, me never business with it. I straight to God, Whereas when me say, Mama Spice touch it, me tell myself, say, me not have nothing to do. But when me say she go ananan, me I say, in a real life, you go ananan about something wearing it. It's not true, fam. You see me, I fabricate story because at the end of a good day, you only have one recording of this person. You don't have a second recording. You understand? So, fair enough for me, just come make the ear know, say, watch a style there. I know they say ball game did there. You see me? Alright, I say it there.
And him hear him trick the people them and I tell the people them, oh, it is reported to the federal government. Okay, fine, it's reported to the federal government. Blood clot, all what about this is wrong, I want to lose her family. Move on the blood hospital, and never tell nobody say it's wrong when they must tell mama for blood clot. The uno the wrong that wrong. The whole away are you, man. Nobody dictate to the blood clot with me, it's a bad. Yeah, come go like say in big with put up your picture, dirty girl. And I come, I get in, I get bad cocky, I got change my atmosphere. You hear that? Move on, I can't chat to blood. And tell me what wrong or wrong. No, I can't dictate to me. Nothing me a pitney, me a bad girl. Anybody blood me. Me defend my I don't need nobody for help me. I don't need for pay nobody for call and tell no lie upon nobody. I'm strong and defend myself. Yeah. Go beard your mama pussy beard me. When you beard your mama thinking rotten pussy, you can't come beard me. Me's a bad fat girl. I'm not take no violation from.
Momo, take the picture and send come give me, put it up now. Activate.
Try dethrone me. Yeah. Right. Yeah, come talk and I come discriminate, do we? Why you send that picture they go give him? Send me the picture where him send you with the conversation in a earphone, because you never had a look him. And him alone did I look to you. Yeah, because he's gift to creation, so you never put up none. I not cuss my husband, I don't cuss my blood, and cussing on my husband is done. Yeah, uno blood, uno done, man, when I hide that tech. And the disgrace when I go through, no can't accept it. Me turn up strong enough for me. Because of my blood. Up Sunday and Bones TV. My archive are coming on them report my page. Me's a bad girl when me say me go gladiator in a I remember you owe me apologies. Move your yesterday I come make it look like say, oh, do it desperate because him never want Queen and him did want me. Why you send a sexy picture there for? With a big purple heart. May I read it? Come here. What that for? I stunned that for the public. If me never show the public, them wouldn't know.
Aye. Give me a minute, me soon come.
So when me stuck there?
Oh.
How much of them?
I only built one day. I'm just going by my house and come back. I'm not staying long there. I'm not disappearing.
Light it, give me. Yeah, give me the ashtray. Make me on a... On a quick for come right hand and my button. This is wrong. And now Queenie gone. On never go. She never gone. But when she put up conversation pa, me a bad girl. And doing that for answer. Me answer for Dewey. Yeah, my husband. Me supposed to stand by him. She never know when she run gone pan blood not threatened by no girl. Fair shape, and my shape, and my shape. Move it, she look better than me 100 times. She want my husband and she never get me. That me a talk about. You look better than me, you're younger than a Yankee, you still never get Dewey. But you can't come talk some.
Brother, nobody don't know when nobody will leave yet. What? Yeah? Yeah. I hear, but... Hey, but you know what? You know what?
Take a green lime and cut it out that arm and not send no left. You can't talk to me. You can't use me as a great blood clot influence with the internet. Me have long nails. Me have a nice chain, nice jewelry, nice clothes. Me know my husband I gotta tell you something. Me think. I said 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 7 time, 8 in this thing. You think you need that? Behave yourself. Come pop in. Behave your little self. You better you cry. You better you cry, cream. But that me have to tell you. You're boring. Nobody now book you. 1 booking me get last night and 1 more tonight. I may have 1 next week Sunday. Talk to me. The world want to know me. Me is purpose in the world. Me is what? Purpose. I've got potential. I've got a career. Now forget up every week you want different set of to get in an argument. I have pint left, right, hand of people. You can't carry me down. You can't do. You can't chat the blood clot. When I hear just look Sheldon! By the way, I'm not going to stay at custody now. I'm not even allowed me put a damn ras. Man, I don't make my custody, you know. Yeah, my reason for that Friday now. I'm not always a custody about my stacking. I'm not shame my me a big man. So I know some sexy. I mean, I want to get too much over the bone. I mean, don't like the look of that God, me, the donkey bite me. I want to know. When I get up for discriminate every day. Wow. Move